So you just picked up your new truck. Look at this thing like a bright red Christmas tree. But what's a Christmas tree without some decoration? So let's get into some dress-up goodies. So the cool thing about this fuse cover here is it utilizes the factory existing cover, so you don't have to worry about any water intrusion, corrosion on those fuses or relays, nothing like that. 0 tools are required for install. The piece is constructed, it's laser cut, and then we CNC bend it out of aluminum, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or anything like that. So let's get into the install. Super easy. So let's jump into this install. We're going to start by degreasing the fuse box cover. Especially those guys like to armor all the underhood. You want this free of any oil or debris, any dust, dirt, grime. We want to make sure we got a clean surface for that Velcro to adhere to. So this one here, you want to take note of the HSP logo, and the Velcro strips under the cover are going to be parallel with it. So this one, I'm actually going to put the Velcro on the cover first, and then we'll work over our way to the truck. Press that down nice and good before you pull that top layer off. One thing you guys may want to try, this one goes in very straight, but before you take that sticky stuff off, just make sure that nothing's going to be in your way. You know, it's going to go in nice and clean. So now that that's done, we'll get these covers off. Straight spot, as best I can. Actually, if you look close here, guys, the lower section of the box here, you can actually get a pretty good clean line out of. Fender goes off on a slight angle, so it wasn't the best call there, but that's a pretty good look there. Get her pressed down nice and good, and there you have it.